Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're ready. Charge above 20% and wake the Forerunner 165 screen. Press and hold the menu/up button to open the main settings. This is faster than digging through shortcuts. Once the menu appears, scroll to watch face and tap or press to open it. This entry point gives you direct control over selection and customization. Make sure Bluetooth isn't interfering by keeping your phone nearby, but start changing the face right on the device to avoid extra sync steps. Continue by scrolling up or down to preview available faces. Each preview shows layout and data fields so you can judge readability at a glance. Once you land on a face, choose Customize to change data fields, color accents, and complications. This tailors what you see during workouts and daily use. If you want third-party designs, open Garmin Connect on your phone and download from Connect IQ. Then return to the Watch Face menu and find the newly installed option to select and tailor it. Finish by selecting Save or Apply so the watch commits the new face. Exit the menu and glance at your home screen to confirm the change. Once done, make sure to sync with Garmin Connect if the face depends on phone data or was downloaded. Sync ensures fonts and complications load correctly. If the face doesn't appear or behaves oddly, restart the Forerunner 165, verify Bluetooth connection with your phone, and update the watch firmware before retrying the selection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.